The AirPods Max, Apple's premium headphones, have set the bar high since their first release. But now, everyone's asking, where is the AirPods Max 2? In 2025, Apple made some major updates that bring the Max closer to a next-gen experience. But is it truly a new model or just a smart upgrade? Let's find out. Here's what's official and confirmed by Apple. In March 2025, Apple rolled out a new lossless and ultra-low-latency audio update, giving the AirPods Max the ability to play 24-bit 48 kHz lossless sound through USB-C. That means crystal clear studio-level sound and smoother performance for gamers and music producers. This update works with all USB-C versions of AirPods Max, no new hardware required. The design remains the same: premium aluminum built, memory foam ear cushions, and the famous digital crown control. But even after this update, users still want more. The AirPods Max are heavy, still use Apple's older H1 chip, and the smart case. Well, it's still not very smart. These are exactly the points that fans hope Apple will fix in the next generation. Now, let's talk about what's rumored for the AirPods Max 2. According to 9to5Mac and MacRumors, analysts suggest Apple might bring a lighter design, a new H2 or H3 chip, and possibly touch controls instead of the digital crown. Some leaks even mention a new protective hard case and better battery life. There's also buzz about wireless lossless audio, but that's still technically challenging for now. As for release, don't expect it in 2025. Most reports say the AirPods Max 2 won't arrive until 2027 or later. So, for now, what we had isn't a brand new model, but a smarter, more powerful AirPods Max experience through software. If Apple keeps pushing these updates, the line between AirPods Max and AirPods Max 2 might blur completely. Expect Apple to focus on lighter materials, a better chip, and maybe, finally, a real Pro case in the next few years. So, while the AirPods Max 2 might still be a rumor, the upgrades we have today are proof that Apple's not done improving its best headphones yet. Would you buy the next AirPods Max if they fix the weight and the case? Tell us in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates every week.